Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to boost your download speed in Google Chrome. If you've ever experienced slow downloads, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look for the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. Click on these dots to open the Chrome menu. From the menu, select Settings. Step 3. In the Settings page, you'll see a list of different sections on the left side. Navigate to the System tab by clicking on it. Step 4. On the System tab, you'll find various settings related to Chrome's performance. Look for the option that says, Use hardware acceleration when available. By default, this option is usually enabled. To speed up your downloads, turn off the toggle next to this option. And that's it, you've successfully optimized your Chrome download speed. Disabling hardware acceleration can help improve download performance, especially if you have a slower or older computer. This setting offloads some of the processing tasks to your computer's hardware, which can sometimes cause conflicts and slow down downloads. Remember, if you encounter any issues or experience a drop in performance after disabling hardware acceleration, you can always come back to this setting and enable it again. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech-related tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and enjoy faster download speeds in Google Chrome.